Today we are playing my little blacksmith shop again. In the last episode, I actually found a good way to do it. Instead of just making stuff and sets and yet, this reason they give you lots of time and that so you can make it. So I'm actually gonna get 3 ingots and get more money than last time. Smack this up. Now I need to go and plonk it up there. So I should get like a round up to at least, I think at least 70 would be a reasonable price. Whatever it is, well, at least 60. Because the daggers don't sell for much. You can go up there. Okay, someone's coming. I think this is an adventure. I'm not too sure. Actually, wait. I need to do something real quick. This always needs to be up there. You give me a dagger. Alright then. Okay, I need to. Okay, this is better now. So he wants me to make him a dagger. So only 1 ingot. You go there. I wouldn't buy anything after this. Just needs. So I'm making a blade, and it knows I'm making a blade. You put that there and hit. As it said the blade, yes, it said blades. Hit. Yeah, I made it. Oh no, I dropped it. Get back here. Go. He bought that. That was pretty quick. 46 coins. I'm not gonna get it anymore. Like I said, I didn't want to get any more. That'd be a waste of money because I need to get more money. Okay, so this guy just to make a great hammer. That's what I'm gonna do. After this, I will actually buy some more stuff. I should get quite a lot of money for making him a great hammer. Because I think the cheapest price is like 20. I think 21. Not sure. Turn that on. See, that means a 2 hand grip. 29, not much. The lag! Unbelievable! Right, uncommon wood. You go there. So now I need to put these. 1 there. 1 there. And last of all, 1 there. No, don't go there. Apparently I can hold things from walls. Oh no, it's happened to me. Just stuck in there. No, ingot! Ingot! You go there. I need to get lunch on. Hit. Why aren't you making a blunt? Hammer! Make the hammer! Make the hammer! Oh, the cold. No! Like 2 seconds before he left. Okay, I'm gonna get 3 more ingots. Put these on the shelves. I just heard like the pop noise for when the customer's here. It's like, oh no, someone's here. I gotta do my stuff. And yeah, he wanted the great hammer. It's like so laggy, and I had to post up the video. So yeah, go there. Not sure if anyone else wants to come. Oh, this guy wants to. I'm just gonna skip to when I made the weapon. Okay, so it was only a dagger and it didn't take long. So I'm gonna go hand that dagger to him. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh yeah, level up. Strength. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So bye!